What's up, BB gang? It's your girl Shyvon, and Javon is not in this video with me today because I'm going to be doing a skincare product review. So I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit what the products are, but I've been seeing this product on Pinterest, and then a lot of people has been posting about it on YouTube and stuff, but I just wanted something that you know, will help me with my acne scars and my hyperpigmentation, dark circles on my face, on my neck kind of a little bit, and on my arms right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but like my bra line right here and then my underarm right there. I need to shave again a little bit, but yeah. And then also on my like bikini, like my waist and, you know, my thigh area, whatever. I'm trying to find products that help me with that. So yeah guys, let me go ahead and show y'all what products I have right now. So all right guys, this is the Palmer's Skin Success acne line. It's the skin product line. So we have the anti-dark spot fade cream. It's for all skin types. And then we have the anti-acne medicated acne toner. And then we also have here, we have an anti-acne medicated complexion bar. And then we have the anti-dark spot fade milk. So this is mainly like, I will be putting this on like lotion, like on my whole body. So like when after I take a shower, I will get out and I will put this on. Like as soon as I get out, I will put this on as a placement for the lotion that I'm always using. Okay, so for your skincare, you're always gonna need a cleansing, well, my knowledge of it, you're always gonna need a cleanser, you're going to need a toner, and you're going to need a moisturizer. Now you can use any other type of creams and stuff you want for your under eyes, wrinkles, eczema, all this and that. You can use whatever other type of brands you want, but for right now I'm just going to use these 4 products. Now the lotion I'm not going to use right now because I will put this on after I get out the shower. So I'm going to put this away. So yeah, I'm going to be using the complexion bar, the toner, and the moisturizer in that order. So yeah guys, let's get into this demo. This is going to be like a review, a product review demo. So I'm going to actually use it right now just to see how it feels on my skin, to see if it's suitable for sensitive skin, because I do have sensitive skin. Like the acne wash I'm using right now, it currently kind of burnt, like it just started burning my eyelids. So hopefully this product doesn't do that. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get straight up into this video. So yeah guys, let's switch over. Pull this back a little bit. Don't talk about my forehead, y'all. I got my forehead from my daddy, okay? Don't talk about it. So right now I'm going to be using this Skin Success anti-acne medicated cleansing bar, and this clears acne blemishes, which I have. It unclogs pores. So here we go, let's try it out. So you open it. It comes in this little wrapper right here. Comes in this wrapper. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wet my face a bit before I put this on. It doesn't have a bad scent. It kind of a little bit smells like cherries. Just a little bit smell like cherries. Skin is wet. down. So we're just gonna get this soap a little wet. Just we're gonna get it a little wet. Then we're gonna roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it. And so guys, this is how it looks. So alright guys, so now that I'm done working it into my face, I'm going to wash it out now. This is not the towel that, okay. I used the wrong one, guys. Now, the thing that I always do every time I wash my face, I always take the end of the towel and I just scrub my lips just to scrub the dead skin off. I scrub my lip, and then I also like get under my eyes to get the little, you know, stuff out your eyes. Okay, do y'all notice a difference? Do y'all notice a difference? Okay, so based off that, my skin does feel refreshed. It doesn't feel oily. It feels good. It feels smooth. It doesn't itch. It doesn't sting or anything. So now the next thing I'm going to use is this toner. So this toner, it deep cleans pores to treat and prevent acne. So this is the main thing I need right there. So I don't have cotton swabs, so I'm just going to use some toilet paper. I'm going to take this and then just pour it over. First I got to open it so that I can use it. Alright, open it. It smells like hand sanitizer. That's what it smells like. It smells like hand sanitizer. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh, okay. It kind of came out of there, didn't it? Okay, now just get the toner and then just wipe. I mainly break out heavily on my forehead, so gotta make sure I get that part really good. The neck. My skin was a little dirty. Just a bit dirty right there. So now after that, my face feels so cool. Like I took a face bath in ice water. Oh shoot, I got toilet paper all over my face. That's why y'all should use cotton swabs, not toilet paper. Sorry, ladies and gents, don't use a toner with toilet paper. Okay, now this fade cream is going to fade dark spots and even skin tone. This is exactly what I need. And it's glass. I think it feels like glass. Y'all heard that? So yeah guys, I'm gonna be using this right there. So just open it. It has like a little clear thing on top of it. It smells like lotion. Like lotion my granny used to use. This is the amount I'm gonna take. This this is the amount I'm gonna take. I'm gonna put some here. Oh, it feels really thick actually. I probably could have used less than that. Alright, just wipe it into my hair. I'm gonna really make sure they get on my eyelids, cause that's, baby, that's where I need it to be. Alright. Alright guys. So that just feels very moisturizing. It's not, well, it's kind of sticky, but it feels smooth and it feels really good to me. And that's all I be wanting for my moisturizers, to make my skin feel, even though my skin is oily, it's like I want it to be moisturized. I don't want to use something that's gonna take all of the oil, like, you know, the moisture out of my face, and then on top of that put something that's matte on top of my face as well. I don't want that. So guys, yeah, this, I'm going to be using this every day. Every day I'm going to be using this. So if y'all want me to give y'all an update, let me know in the comment section below. I will give an update in about, what, a week or whatever. I'll come back and give an update to my skin. Or y'all can see it in videos, okay? Because I'm 80% barefaced anyway. So yeah guys, this is the end of this review. So far, I like the products. I have nothing bad to say. Now, if I do, I'll come back tomorrow and let you know. But yeah guys, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Like I said, comment in the comment section below if you tried this product. What do you like about it? What you don't like about it? If you want to try this product and you need some, you know, motivation, here you go. Or, you know, if y'all want me to come back and give an update on how my skin looks on this, and actually, and also this fade milk as well. I'm gonna be using this when I get out of the shower. So yeah. Alright guys, love y'all. Peace.